Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me. And today I've got a product to be honest, I did not expect to be breaking today. Because I ordered some of these blasters from Target, but this morning I happened to need to gas up the car, so I go to my Fred Meyer to do that. And while I was there, I said, hey, I'll swing into the grocery store, see what they might have. And it just so happened when I went in there, they were restocking, and they had at least two blasters. I didn't really look to see if they had more in other spots, but I just saw these two, jumped on them, and I didn't really scan thoroughly, but I don't know if they had any of the fat packs, because I know that they're not doing hanger boxes. They did not have any megas. And when I asked the person who was doing the stocking if they had anything else, the response I got was, this is all that I have, and I'm just finishing up. I wasn't sure if they were just starting or just finishing. So yeah, so $30 a box, and you're getting 24 cards. And then these ones, oh, there's your security tag. But these ones have the blaster exclusive green and yellow prism die cuts. So I want to say that these are the Target ones, because typically that's what happens at Fred Meyer, is they stock the same thing that Target does. So again, I didn't expect to even see these on the shelf, because I know I'd seen in one of my other stores and stuff that they just had like an empty display in a sense. When I was at a Walmart this morning, they basically didn't have anything either. Although they did have some Formula One match attacks, and I was kind of half tempted to grab one just to check it out, because again, that Walmart, you can only buy one thing. Oh, we got a relic right off the start, so I don't know if those are guaranteed a blaster or not. Got a Bo Jackson, an Amon-Ra St. Brown. Must be Najee Harris. Our fancy die cut is going to be Zach Wilson, who's still on the mend. And I'm going to assume that this is a Najee Harris jersey, and it's pretty much just a black swatch. Looks nice, but just your basic black swatch. And on to the next. Kellen Mond rookie. Joe Burrow. The turbocharged. And I think I got him technically 2 years ago, because it was for the 2020 select. But I think I got the, what do you call it, the silver version. Amir Smith-Marset rookie, and this is the premier level. And the other ones were the concourse. Next pack. Ooh, we got a Kyle Trask rookie. Derek Carr, and another die cut here. Got a Rondell Moore, and that is the club level. And then our next, there you go. That's not a bad one to be getting. A little Mac Jones die cut. That's the concourse level. Next pack. Rashad Bateman rookie. Sam Darnold. Alvin Kamara, and here's our certified select Michael Carter rookie. I'm going to say that's an insert set. Two packs to go. Another die cut here. Got a Des Fitzpatrick rookie. Devonta Smith rookie. Joe Burrow numbers. And our die cut in this one, not a rookie. Oh no, it is a rookie. It's a silver rookie of Kenneth Gainwell. So that's the premier level. And like I said, Joe Burrow. It says SN, but I just see it as numbers. I don't see it like statistical numbers, standby numbers. I don't know. Jacob Harris. Oh, we got two die cuts in this one. De'Ami Brown, rookie for the Commanders. Jacob Harris. I got a Derek Gore, white die cut. Oh, that's numbered. 16 of 99. And then the last one is the Jets. So a second Jets die cut of Quinnen Williams. That's another one of those yellow and green blaster exclusives. So I will say your ratio of vets to rookies is, at least in that one, was significantly one-sided. So on to the second. Maybe we can get an autograph in this one. I know they're probably a super tough pull, and again, impossible to say what the odds are because Panini doesn't print odds on boxes. Well, and this one's one of those ones that the packs are front to back instead of side to side. I'm trying to remember what the other product I ran into that was like that. No super thick ones in this one. This one actually feels thin, like it might only have 3 cards, but there are 4. There's just a die cut. Tyson Williams rookie. Javonte Williams rookie. A regular Zach Wilson rookie. And our die cut. Not a rookie. Tyrell Williams for the Lions. And we'll sleeve up Zachy because that's the premier level. Unfortunately, they don't have the highest level in retail this year. We got a Justin Herbert, second year, or again, is it third year? I forget. Yeah, it's only second year. Tony Romo, vet. Turbocharged Charles Woodson, and what is this? Elijah Vera Tucker. Yeah, that's Elijah Vera Tucker. Okay. Jeez, keep hitting that. Next pack. Probably got a Dwayne Eskridge here. I saw Seahawks. Kyler Murray. Tutu Atwell rookie. Yep, Dwayne Eskridge. And our die cut in here, Adrian Peterson. I could have showed him on one of 4 different teams, but showed him on his original team. Quiddy Pay, rookie. Trey Lance, base rookie. Yep, that's the base. Kenneth Gainwell, certified select, and a Ben, Big Ben. So again, we'll sleeve up the insert. 2 packs left. Getting slim chances of getting an auto in this box, or any type of hit. Amon-Ra St. Brown, I think that's a different rookie. That's a concourse level. DK Metcalf. Numbers Matthew Stafford, and our silver die cut in this box is going to be a Jeremiah Owusu Koromoa. I don't know if I was even close on that pronunciation. That is our silver rookie die cut for the Browns. Last pack, last chance for greatness in this one. So far, the first blaster was better, but I do see an orange, so that could be numbered. That could be really good. Des Fitzpatrick, rookie. Jacob Harris, yellow and green, die cut. Carson Wentz. And our final card, it's upside down. Is it Justin Herbert? Nope, it's Austin Eckler. So we're going to sleeve that up before I show the number. That's a nice looking card though. Orange die cut. That is numbered to 249, 242 of 249. So my other one was actually, that white one was much lower in number. So again, as I mentioned earlier, your rookies to vet, retired player. So these are all retired, and these are all the rookies. So you get quite a few rookies in a blaster, and then as well, well, I don't know why I had that one there for the Joe Burrow, but I had 2 by the numbers. I don't know where the other one is now, but Stafford, the other one was Burrow, and then the turbocharged Woodson and Thompson. So 2 retired stars, Hall of Famers basically. And then you got the 2 certified selects. You got the Kenneth Gainwell, and the other one was, where is the other one? There it is, Michael Carter. So both green uniform players. And I got the Zach Wilson rookie. There's the Joe Burrow by the numbers. And then here's all our die cuts. Got the Jacob Harris, the Austin Eckler to 299 or 249, sorry. The silver die cut, Adrian Peterson, yellow and green. Tyrell Williams, yellow and green. Quinnen Williams, yellow and green. Derek Gore, rookie silver in the first box, as along with a Kenneth Gainwell, rookie silver. Mac Jones, yellow green. Zach Wilson, yellow and green. And the relic card out of the first blaster was a Najee Harris draft selection relic card, jersey card for the Steelers. So yeah, that concludes this break of 2021 Select Football Blaster Edition. So hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.